The method of gaining muscle mass is straightforward, but before you can begin, you must have some understanding, the physiology of people. I'll show you how to quicken muscle growth in this video. Hence, keep an eye, it will be interesting to watch the entire video. Move along. You must have a clear understanding of why you're going to the gym before you go. In chronological order, you need to give muscles a purpose to grow in order for them to do so. If you visit a gym without a pre-planned approach, or if you attend a workout solely to lift weights, it's unlikely you'll succeed. After each workout, you must give the muscles something to look forward to develop, and in order to do this, you must abide by the guidelines below. First, limit your workout to 2 body parts per day. Exercising no more than 2 body parts each workout is a crucial rule that will maintain your physiological system healthy and additional psychological activity. For seasoned athletes, only 1 portion of the complete body workout. It's crucial to keep in mind that this regulation. Second, no more than 40 minutes should be spent on the exercise. This is also a crucial point rule. If you work out for more than 40 minutes, you're doing it wrong. Having to fit your exercise into this window of time. The focus and intensity were still there after 40 minutes. Start to drop out quickly. Performing exercise within 40 minutes increases hormone peaks because its intense nature. Thus, testosterone levels in the blood dramatically decline after 40 minutes. Third, limit your set count to 6 per muscle group. Each job set exhausts your biological resources, without which it is difficult to create muscles, therefore conserve your energy. This guideline is equally crucial. Fourth, in a working set, perform 7 to 9 reps. This guideline is crucial for productive work. A set of weights that you can lift with at least 7 to a maximum of 9 working reps. The maximum number of people will be required to comply with this rule of muscular tissue in the activity. Fifth, between sets, take a 2 to 3 minute break. It's crucial to give the muscles time to rest before the following session, but keep in mind that everyone recovers at a different pace. Some folks can't recover in time for the next set, not even in 5 minutes. Pay attention to your personal health. Sixth, every 4 to 7 days, work out 1 muscle group. Let's now discuss recuperation. Your muscles experience soreness after an exercise because micro rips grow in them. This indicates that the muscles have a motivation to expand. Let's examine what transpires in the muscles following a workout. Your muscles will replenish their glycogen stores over the first 12 to 24 hours. Accordingly, you must give your muscles time to properly recuperate before your next workout, because it takes the body a while to replenish its energy stores, and only then does muscle fiber growth start. Train 1 muscle group every 4th day if you're a novice or have limited experience. Train 1 muscle group every 5 to 7 days if you've been exercising for more than a year. In actuality, your muscles require more time to recuperate the bigger and stronger they get. So, lengthen the healing period progressively. 7th, every 10 weeks, take a week off. You should take a week off every 10 weeks to promote optimum muscular growth. Stop working out this week. The muscles rebuild themselves during such a week. Many people are apprehensive about stopping their workouts. They are concerned that they will lose their shape, but there is nothing to worry about. You'll return to the gym after such a week and be considerably stronger and bigger. Friends, don't forget to check out the other videos on this channel. Links are currently displayed on the screen.